Hello everyone, and welcome to this example recording on power and energy. So in this example, we're going to be taking a look at how to calculate savings when you are dealing with electric bills. Not only just savings, but the cost as well as the cost savings. So the example that we're going to be looking at reads as follows. You have a house that has 30 100 watt light bulbs, which are switched on for 12 hours a day. And how much can the owners save if in a year they replace the globes with 20 watt LED and the rate for electricity is 2 Rand 50 per kilowatt hour? So scenario 1, the owners are using the 100 watt light bulbs for a year. Scenario 2, they're using the 20 watt LED globes for a year. What would the cost of the two scenarios be, and what will the difference be? So let's start off with scenario A. Scenario A, we need to look at the energy scenario. And I think probably rather before that, let's just have a calculation on what the cost would be. So for any scenario here, the cost must always be given by the energy multiplied by the rate of electricity. So the energy is given in kilowatt hours and the rate of electricity is given in rands per kilowatt hour, so that you have a final answer that's going to be in rands. So scenario A, we know that we've got 100 watt and we have 30 of them, so we've got a total load of 3 kilowatts. What will the energy of scenario A be? The energy must give us power multiplied by time, which is going to be 3 kilowatts multiplied by 12 hours times 365 days, and this should give us a final value of 13,140 kilowatt hours. And what will the cost of the first scenario be? So we know that the cost is going to be given by the energy multiplied by the rate. So that will give us 13,140 kilowatt hours multiplied by 2.5 rands per kilowatt hour. And this should give us a final value of 32,850 Rand. Right, and then the second scenario, that the load would be 100, would rather be 30 times 20 watts. So the 100 watts have been replaced with 20 watt LEDs. There's 30 of them, so that gives us 600 watts. And the energy, which we know is power multiplied by time, is going to give us 600, which is 0.6 kilowatts, multiplied by 12 multiplied by 365. So that will be 0.6 kilowatts multiplied by 12 hours times 365, and that gives us 2628 kilowatt hours. Right, and again, the cost of the new scenario is going to give us the energy multiplied by the rate. That's going to give us 2628 multiplied by 2 Rand 50 per kilowatt hour. So we multiply that by 2.5, that gives us 6,570 Rand. Right, now what will the cost savings be? So the savings must equal to the old cost minus the new cost, and that will give us the 32,850 minus 6,570 rand. And this gives us a final value of 26,280 rand. That's 26,280 rand. So in a year, there's been a savings of 26,280 rand based on changing 30 100-watt light bulbs to 20-watt light bulbs. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy the course.